Wait. Oops. Go. Door. Hey, ups. Sit. Sit. Good girl. And I can reach the rest. So you just gonna have to have a short clip. Good girl.